Okay guys, you know, it's about that time. We're gonna do another lot walk. Let's get it.
It's Friday night, leaving now. Liquor up, it's going down. Back on black, big block, Chevelle, revving up, racing hell, pick a spot just for two. Baby, I can't stop looking at you. I wanna know what's on your mind. Rest stop time in the backseat of my car. Yeah, you know.
Okay guys, this week will be closed from Thursday to Sunday, and then next week will be closed all week. We're going to Pigeon Forge Rod Run to buy classic cars. We go there every year, twice a year. It's usually 2 weeks in the spring, 2 weeks in the fall. Shades of the Past, Rod Run. Each week it's got a different event. I do suggest going up there checking it out if you haven't before. That's East Tennessee and Pigeon Forge. Maple Motors crew will all be up there. So what we're gonna do today, I still posted 8 cars, and I'll probably still post some cars next week. We'll see how the update goes. We're gonna walk around, point out the new cars, tell you the prices in year on every car here, and then if you want to see under the hood, see the test drives, just go ahead and search here on our YouTube channel, cars currently available on our playlist. You'll be able to see everything that we have available. We also have it at maplemotors.com along with financing and shipping. Plus there's an About Us section. You can learn a little bit about our company. We're a family business over 40 years. Let's get started here. So right up here in the front quarter, this one's already on hold. I believe it's already sold. It's a 68 model Impala. We had it at $19,900. Right next to that is a 1974 Roadrunner. This one's $24,900. This one's a 1972 Chevelle, and I believe it's going to be $27,900. Just picked it up. New inventory. I believe it was a $350 under the hood. Right next to that, 1969 Cutlass. This one's $22,900. We got a 1971 Chevelle right next to that. This one's $27,900. $1966 Chevelle Convertible sitting right here, $34,900. New inventory, a 1978 Corvette, just picked it up, and I believe this one's going to be $21,900. Sorry, the price is not on the windshield. Like I said, we're all going out of town, and Pops is not here at the moment, so he does all the pricing, writes everything on the windshields for us, because he's probably got the best handwriting. Well, we got this 1968 Pontiac Firebird Convertible, and this one's $31,900. Some more new inventory for us. Right here next to that's a 66 Mustang, already sold. We sold it for $25,900. This one's not currently available. I don't even know why it's sitting up here in the front. Right next to that is a 66 model Mustang convertible. This one's $24,900. And guys, if I didn't tell you about it in the video, don't call about it because it's not available. Obviously, I'd want to sell you the car if it was. Just got this in. I believe this was a Tempest convertible. It's got GTO badges. Just on the rear, on the side panel here. That's a 64 Tempest. And I think this one was $25,900.
I ain't even gonna bother. Just tell him I saw he's in here, but I know
The old 25.9 on that one.
Oh yeah, I'll let him know. Okay.
Right next to that is a 1956 Bel Air. Let's see what we got this one priced at here. This one's $31.9. And guys, in this video here, I'm getting these prices off the website because they're not on the windshield, so I wasn't sure exactly what they were going to price them this week. Just been crazy with rod run and everything going on. We're getting ready to go to the showroom. Let's go ahead and do that. We'll walk over to Pops' Hot Wheels room and we'll continue the lot. I've still got some cars over here on the other side that I need to show you. All right, let's do it. We got another new piece sitting in the showroom. This is a 1966 Super Sport Chevelle convertible, and we've also got it at $49.9. This is a real Super Sport, pretty nice car, inside and out. Be a video coming out on it here soon, so be sure to check that out. This one here is a 1967 Rt Cornet Convertible. Pretty nice car, all the way around, $41.9. Everything else in here is private stock, basically, already sold or on hold. Same with old Chieftain here. We've got pretty much everything in here other than those two cars that I showed you are sold. All right. And of course, you can't forget Pops' Hot Wheels room. So come on in, check it out. We got the dollar cars for the kids. We got the collector stuff. You can see the boards are starting to get picked over. He's going to have to do some restocking. But yeah, tons of Hot Wheels in here if you're into them. He's got the ones in the cases over here, a little bit nicer. He's got some stuff over here, still collectible, but lower in price. And I think you'll enjoy it. Yeah, they've been picking on the boards, haven't they? All right, let's go back out there and look at the big toys. All right, back out here on the lot, and for $14.9, we've got the Rat Rod truck. This is a 1954 3100. It's worth checking out. The video was pretty fun on that one. 366 motor. Pinstriping on the fenders and hood. And yes, no windows. All you got's the front glass there. How cool. Coming on up, we've already sold the Impala. We had it put on last week. This was a 1968 model. We sold it for $31.9. I believe we got a 67 model behind it, $29.9. And we also picked this convertible up. This is a 1991, and this one's $15.9. Coming on back here, we've already sold both of these cars. We'll look at them for a second. It's a 77 Cutlass. We had it at $12.9, and a 57 Ford. We had it at $19.9, and both of them are already sold. We do have the 73 Mustang convertible, 351 under the hood, $17.9. And yes, test drive videos are out and available to watch on all of these cars, except for the brand new inventory, which I'll be working on all week. I believe the old Nova is sold. We'll double check on that real quick. Yeah, Nova's already gone. We sold it at $10.9. It was a 1972 model. And how about the old Pontiac Le Mans convertible dressed up as a GTO? It's $25.9. That was a 69 model. Already sold this one right here. I think y'all have seen it on the website before. It was a 66 model. I believe there's a video out for it if you're just curious to watch it. Right next to that, for $14.9, we got a 1967 Caprice. This right here, I believe it had a Chevrolet 350 under the hood. And this one's gonna be priced $12,900. It's a 1987 Jeep Wrangler 4x4. Pretty fun to drive. I actually drove it when we first got it, so I thought it was cool looking. It's got some pep. Okay guys, we've walked around the car lot now. Next step is to start test driving these babies. I want to get them out on the road, look for flaws. That's what I do. I look for the flaws so that when you get here, you know everything about it. You're not going on a wild goose chase and getting something you didn't expect. You get everything. Here at Maple Motors, we tell you everything that is wrong with these cars that we find during the videos, during the test drives. I don't go back and edit out a bunch of stuff. I just put it all out there for you. We do have 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. We update every week. We try to put about 10 cars on. And again, remember, next 2 weeks, we'll pretty much be closed. We're gonna be here today and tomorrow. And then we're all leaving Thursday to go on up to Roadrunner. So maybe we'll see y'all out there.
You know what I mean?
So if you do come up here, nobody will be here. You can walk around the lot, enjoy yourself, but you won't be able to purchase a car this week unless you come today or tomorrow. And today, right now, pay attention to the video where I posted the date. This is Tuesday. I'm just glancing back over all the inventory. Again, if I didn't mention it, it's not available. And I can't sell it to you. I feel like this was a short video this week, but I have a lot to do in 2 days. I got 8 cars to video, and I'm gonna try to get them all done. I'm starting with the white Chevelle here. Definitely want to do the Jeep today. I'll try to get 5 done today. Let's see what I can do. With no detail guy at the moment, we're having to do everything and videos, so it's putting me behind, but it's okay. I've detailed here for almost 16 years. I guess I haven't stopped, have I? Nobody drove anything cool in today. Half the people are gone though. So we got Jason's truck and Dad's Cadillac, my Camaro. There was a guy that commented the other day, sent me an email. He thought I traded the Chevelle for that. I was like, oh, I had these at the same time. I just love these cars. I grew up in high school, and all friends and everybody had these bodies, or the Fox body Mustangs. I like both of them, but I'm gonna keep this. It's a low mileage car with tons of stuff done to it. Got a big book when I got it. It was like that thick of all kinds of receipts. So I plan on keeping her. I know I put her in the picture sometimes. It does get a lot of calls. Attention grabber there, right? It works. Works for the thumbnail at least. Okay. I'm gonna get started here. I got a lot to do. I do appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry we didn't have the prices on the windshields today. Like I said, Pops does all the handwriting, so. I was this close to not making a video today, because I was like, well, we'll be gone 2 weeks. But we're also gonna be here the next 2 days. So give me a call, 615-822-4444. Look at maplemotors.com, check out our finance options. We can ship these cars anywhere in the country. And of course we update every Monday. Don't forget, hit share, like, subscribe. I'll have these videos coming at you. Put you in the seat and tell you what's wrong. Let's get started. We're going to pick out the flaws, guys. See y'all later. One day I'm gonna fall off this wall.